God's message of hope. My child, I am your God, the one who fills your life with boundless grace and never-ending mercy. When you are in despair, I lift you up. In times of pain, I am your solace and strength. Just like an eagle, I strengthen you, and my eternal word soothes the wounds of your heart. I have opened the doors to a supernatural realm where you hold the power to overcome any obstacle. These words are a beacon of hope, filling your spirit with tranquility. I am your guardian, watching over you in these challenging times. When friends turn into foes and even family abandons you, I am here. Trust not in fallible humans or fleeting possessions, but in me. As you journey through life, I am by your side, shouldering your burdens and pouring out my Holy Spirit upon you. No one can harm you in my embrace. Lean on me and trust in my promises. There is a sacred purpose for you, and your sustenance comes from me, not this world. You have many missions to fulfill, and I will grant you the strength and courage to overcome any obstacle. My delight is to clear your path, to heed your prayers, and to fortify you through life's storms. Embrace humility and learn from adversity. I will unveil a path filled with my glory where the impossible becomes possible. My love and mercy accompany you always, even when you cannot perceive my presence. Trust in me, seek my word daily, and strive to live according to it. I forgive your shortcomings and renew your spirit. Rise as a champion, shedding the weight of guilt and sorrow. Reflect on joyous times and past triumphs. I am with you, ready to honor your faith. Everything happening now serves a purpose, even if it is not clear. Soon you will understand why it was vital to trust and wait. I know your heart intimately and am always attuned to your needs. You are significant to me, cherished beyond measure. Avoid those who mock you and spread negativity. Believe in my word and distance yourself from those who wish you harm. Prepare for battle with faith and righteousness. Even if you falter, I will raise you up. Accept the challenge and confront life with unwavering faith and determination. I am blessing your life and home. Receive my blessings and love me more each day. I am your shepherd, provider, healer, and protector. My promises are certain, and I will do as I have said. Trust in me. Make me first in your plans, and I will walk with you through every circumstance. Remember, I love you deeply and will always be with you, helping you triumph. Stand strong and trust in my grace, for I will never abandon you.